Hello, welcome to the second edition of our online lesson. My name is Mrs. Okene Priscilla, and I'm the maths teacher for the junior section of White Knight Academy, Barangoni, Wari Area Council, Abuja. Hope you enjoyed our last topic on statistics. Subsequently, we still discuss more on that. But for today's lesson, our topic is commercial in household arithmetic. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to know the meaning of profit and loss, calculate profit percent and loss percent, and calculate profit and loss. Terminology. Cost price, the price at which an article was bought. The price at which an article was bought is known as cost price. Then selling price, the price at which an article was sold. The cost price is the price at which an article was bought. The price at which you buy a particular thing is called the cost price. Then selling price is the price at which an article was sold. That means the price at which a seller sells a particular item is known as the selling price. Then profit. Profit is commercial gain. That is the revenue you generate or the revenue remaining after all the cost is paid, like the cost of producing an item. When you deduct all your costs, all your expenses, after selling and you deduct all your costs, the thing that is left is known as your profit. Then loss. Loss is when the cost of producing an item is more than selling such an item. When you make all your deduction and the cost of producing is actually more than the selling price, then you have incurred a loss. Formula. Selling price. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. That is our selling price. Cost price plus profit is equals to selling price. Then cost price. The cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, that is selling price minus cost price, we have what we call profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, that's when the amount you sell an item is greater than the cost of producing such an item, then we have what we call profit or gain. But a situation where cost price is greater than selling price, we have loss. That is cost price minus selling price will give us loss. Example 1. If the profit for selling an item is 300 and the cost of producing is 600 naira, then find the selling price. Solution. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Profit is 300 from the equation above. The profit is 300 and the cost price is 600 naira. Then what is selling price? From our formula, we know that selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. So our selling price is 900 because our cost price is 600 plus our profit, which is 300. 600 plus 300 will give us our selling price, which is 900 naira. Example 2. When profit is 50 naira and the selling price of a pencil is 250 naira, find the cost price of that pencil. Solution. The formula states that cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. Our selling price is 250 naira and our profit is 15 naira. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. Our selling price 250 naira minus profit 50 naira will give us our cost price, which is 200 naira. Example 3. Find the gain or loss made by AZ if he bought a dozen of WKA exercise book at 250 naira and sold it at 350 naira. B. If AZ bought a calculator at 1,500 naira and sold it at 1,300 naira. So you have to find the profit or loss. Solution. The selling price for the book is 350 naira and the cost price of the book is 250 naira. And we stated that with this condition, where selling price is greater than cost price, then we have what we call profit. Where selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit. And from our analysis here, we can see that the selling price is actually greater than the cost price because the selling price is 350 naira and the cost price is 250 naira. So, and we said selling price, the profit is selling price minus cost price. So 350 naira minus 250 naira gives us our profit of 100 naira. Then question B says we should find the loss when AZ bought a calculator at 1,500 naira and sold it at 1,300 naira. So the cost price of the calculator is 1,500 naira and the selling price is 1,300 naira. So the cost price is greater than the selling price and that gives us loss. Loss is equals to 1,500 naira 1,500 naira minus 1,300 naira. The loss gives us 200 naira. So in our next lesson, we are going to discuss on how to find the percentage loss and the percentage profit. So do your assignments and submit to me. I'll mark and send back to your parents. I wish you good luck. Have a wonderful rest at home. Hope to meet you again in our next lesson. My name is Mrs. Okene and I'm the maths teacher for the junior section of the Great White Knight Academy located in Barangoni, Buhari Area Council, Abuja. Thank you so much.